So on the secret know-how, I've been given a tip from our friend Girlie, and this is one of her go-to places. So Maxie and I have come to go and check it out and see if her advice is as good as what she say it is.
Exactly.
So tell me, what do you see in these ingredients here?
So there you see this bowl of meat or the noodles. There is cockles. What I can see, there is a sotong or cuttlefish. I think there's a fish cake also.
Yeah, no, tahu.
Tahu, yeah.
Puff tahu, I think
Puff
it is.
tahu. And there's a rice noodles, I think. And there's a bean sprout. And what interesting here is like the broth itself is like white.
Yeah, and this is very much a kind of mixture between the Chinese and the local community, which is basically the Penang. And this is really kind of signature to Penang, is to get this white curry mee. But here we have the chili powder, the chili oil, which has got curry powder in it. And so you put that in there, and I like lashings of it. And then also what's signature to this area, and this special, they're steeped chicken with cucumber and like a soy and sesame oil. And then they've got the lobak, and then they've got a radish cake mixed with radish, garlic, and then fried. Let's taste this. I'm gonna put a bit more chili in. Is it good?
Very good. I think there's more chili on it.
Needs more chili? That's the Indonesian in us. There we go. That's really good. We definitely got a strong curry powder coming through on that chili oil, yeah?
The creaminess.
It works well, yeah, with the creaminess of coconut.
So what we can say, Girlie point us the right place, right?
She did. She was spot on. I think so. So on here, there's normally chicken that's been blanched 4 or 5 times, and the reason they steep it is that they put it into the hot chicken stock or broth that they have. Let it sit there for 5 minutes, then take it out and dip it back in. And it's got to be refreshed in ice water each time. And then you let it just sit there and you turn off the stove and it slowly cooks. Is that how you do it as well?
Yeah, almost like the same, like when we make like the Hainan chicken rice.
Hainan chicken rice, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna have my lobak. Lobak basically
What is?
pork mince, garlic, rolled up, and 5 spice in there, and rolled up into bean curd sheets and then fried. And then you got the radish cake. That's nice too.
Nice texture.
Girlie's got it right.
Garlic spot on.
The name is Hot Bowl. You've got to visit it when you're here. It's one of the best places to get your white curry mee.